I did a quick Google search, and apparently the most popular things during quarantine are yoga, Netflix, and cleaning everything. So today I decided to clean up my cables, and I have a whole box of random cables. Some of them are strange, like I've never seen them before, and I don't know if they're mine. So we're gonna try to figure out what they are for and how to organize them. I thought of this about 2 weeks ago, and so I ordered these Velcro strips on Amazon. They were $5.34. They look like this, and there's 25 of them, and now looking back, I think I should have ordered another one because I probably have more than 25 cables, but we're gonna see what we could do for now. I also got this box from IKEA. It's just a lift lid, and I think I'm gonna organize them in here, but then again, I'm just gonna stack them because how else are you supposed to organize them? I tried searching how to DIY them, but these just look prettier, so that's what I'm gonna go with. So I'm thinking the best way to do this is on the floor, just to stretch everything out. But I didn't really think this through because some of the cables don't have anything written on them. Actually, this has a QR code. Let's try that. Oh, I didn't even know. Okay, so this is for a sound bar, in case you have a cable like this and you don't know what the hell it's for. I guess things like this, I don't really have to put a whole strip on because what is it holding together? I was reading like Reddit, what's that called? Midnight or shower thoughts or something like that. Do crabs think that fish can fly? Oh yeah, I also have these cases. I feel like I buy cute cases every time I see them, and then I never do anything with them because I only have one, and so it doesn't really match with everything else. So I don't know what to put in these. I don't know how to put this on. How do I know what 25? Should I count how many I have first? So this is Beats. My Beats stopped working. That was the end of that story. I don't want to keep old cables, and I don't know what these are for. I don't even know what a jack is. See, this too. I googled this. Oh, you know what? This is probably with this. Oh, you know what? I wanted to label these, and now I can't label them. I also heard another one that's really funny. If you think about it, rugs are just wigs for carpets. I feel like I should have done this before I accumulated so many without labels. Okay, there are things that I know what they are. This is an HDMI cable, but like, what is it for? I don't know anything that I have that needs an HDMI cable. But then if I throw it out, I might need it one day. I feel like lately my quarantine routine is wake up, brush my teeth, eat, and then I just Netflix all day, and then I eat again. I eat while I Netflix so many times, and then I forget how many times I've eaten. This one is for portable chargers. I've bought so many portable chargers, and they always come with these tiny charging cables. They suck, and I could barely, some plugs, I don't have a plug here, but some plugs are so high up in the wall, on the wall, that I put it there, and then it's just kind of hanging, and then it stops working eventually. But if I put one of these, you know what? I don't have more than 25 cables. I don't even know why I have these cables, because if I haven't needed them up to this point, why do I still need them? Why do I still feel like I need to clean them up? Every time I go online and try to remember some jokes, the moment, I'll remember the jokes, but then the moment somebody asks me, do you have any jokes? Goldfish. This one is for my GoPro. You know how many times I use my GoPro? Twice. Twice I used it. Why did I buy it? I don't know. I have a bunch of these. I wonder if it's because everything's compatible, or do they just look the same? They look the same. I don't know what this is. I don't think I've known what any of them do up to this point. So I have established that I have a few of these same cables. Do I need this many? Should I keep multiple of the same one? I've only had like 4 iPhones, and somehow I have way more than 4 cables. But then again, my family has no cables, so I can see where they came from. Are dad jokes not supposed to be funny? Because I laugh at them. I don't know if I'm picking up the same cables over and over again, but they all look the same now. I feel like I'm gonna go back and edit and realize that I'm grabbing the same cables over and over again. I did not know Velcro was a brand. I thought it was just a material. It says to hold the soft part on the outside and then slip it in. Okay, wow, that was easier said than done. I don't know what direction they go. I think they go soft part out. Yeah, that would make sense. Nice. The beats, I don't know if I need to keep these because now the new beats don't have the jacks. But will I need these ever in the future? The phones don't even have this jack anymore. I don't want to feel like a hoarder and just keep all of these old cables that I'm not going to use. Since gyms are closed, I was thinking, hey, maybe it'd be great to get some fresh air and work out in my backyard, except I have creepy neighbors. Do you ever walk into a room and forget what you're doing? Then you walk out, hoping that you'll remember what it was, but you don't. I'm gonna read dad jokes. Did you know French fries weren't actually cooked in France? They were cooked in Greece. Oh, I thought this was a fun fact. That stole the fun out of that. If a child refuses to sleep during nap time, they are guilty of resisting arrest. I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. I'll let you know. Oh, which one came first? I've never heard that one before. Quarantine has been inspiring so many artists to do things, and I've seen such amazing things, but I'm just sitting on my phone scrolling, looking at them, and I don't feel inspired myself. They should all be labeled. The GoPro one says GoPro. I've never been able to Google what to do when you're bored and successfully find something to do. Take a nap, stretch. They write watch some Netflix as if that wasn't already what you were doing because you got so bored you had nothing else to do. I'm concerned as to why I have so many of the same cable. Why is it that when it's winter I want it to be summer and when it's summer I want it to be winter? Like, I could be in the pool mid-June and I can't wait to go skiing. Being scared of deep water is being scared of heights, but in water. Wait, yeah. I think there's a difference. I have the fear of falling from something high, but when I'm up on something high, I don't. My heartbeat doesn't accelerate or anything. But if I think of falling, then, you know. I don't remember how many Toy Stories I watched. Did I watch? Are there 4? Or Shrek? I don't remember how many Shreks there were. I just remember there were babies, and that was it. Lately I've been showering just to put my PJs on for the next day, and so I feel like my laundry load has been much lighter because I only spend one outfit per day rather than an actual outfit and then PJs. Alright, well, they're all done, and I've decided to throw away some cables. So that looks way more organized than it did before. Okay, I'm done. That's it. I'm gonna put a label here, here, here. That's it for today. I will see you guys next time. Bye.